this minute from the air crash site in Calicut, where we are learning that 2 of the deceased from the crash have tested positive for COVID-19. Not just this, all passengers and rescue operation team have been asked to go into quarantine. Malappuram DC, who has confirmed with Republic that 2 deceased were found COVID-19 positive, and all rescue teams will also now undergo tests. And the State Health Ministry and the district administration have instructed all those involved in the rescue operation to go under quarantine. They have issued a statement that has come in from KK Shailaja, Kerala Health Minister, going on to say that all those who were involved in the rescue operations at Kozhikode Airport must go into self-quarantine. The state government is all set to conduct COVID-19 tests for all. I want to bring in Shanta Shri, who is live with us. Shanta Shri, 2 of the deceased who have tested positive for COVID-19, which is why the State Health Ministry has asked all those involved in the rescue operations to not just get tested for COVID-19, but also undergo quarantine.
This accident, it seems that a can of worms have actually opened up, especially during a pandemic time, because not only all these injured who have been shifted to the hospital, the doctors who were treating the COVID patients are treating the same injured patients. So yes, those people who were supposed to be in quarantine because they are coming in a Vande Bharat flight and a 14 days quarantine is mandatory just near the airport, those people were not quarantined yesterday, rather they were being treated, and now the test will be conducted on all of them because of the 2 people who have been found COVID positive, and then they will be quarantined. So yes, there is a chance of spreading of the virus also, because proper precautions while handling a major accident might not have been taken. So this is actually one of the setback that is there after the accident. While state authorities are deciding upon the entire test to be conducted and the quarantine measures to be followed, on the other hand, we believe that all those people who have faced such a huge setback, their family members, everybody are being asked to contact the embassy in Dubai, and also they have been given helpline numbers continuously to contact people in Kozhikode as well. So while all assistance are being made and all the officials rushing to the spot is actually an indication that how the situation is a little beyond control, and they are trying the level best to bring it under control. So yesterday we had seen that the major accident took place. All the rescue measures were done in order to start evacuation and also restore the entire area, and then in the proper investigation can be taking place over there. And today officials also reaching the crash site as well as the hospital site. Everywhere is happening, but the Indian government officials as well as the rescue team officials, everybody is attempting to bring the situation under control. One more update that we are getting is definitely that the black box that is there inside the aircraft that has been recovered by the DGCA, which is a very crucial evidence in the entire investigation to be conducted upon this entire crash site. And after that, they will get to know that what exactly was the communication of the 2 pilots who have passed away in this major accident with the ATR, that is, and also there is not ATR, ATC, and also they will also see that how many flight go around had been taken. The first go around that was taken was towards the Arabian Sea, and the second go around which was taken was inwards, that is the mainland. So yes, how many go arounds had been taken and why these go arounds were taken, whether visibility was a factor at that time, while landing, what kind of problems they were facing at that time, and why the plane was in such a huge speed when they knew that there was so much of rainfall happening at a tabletop and at such a height which is more than 2.5%. So clearly these are the questions which will be raised and needs to be answered, and this investigation will be taking place. And as Hardeep Puri just pointed it out, that few days will be dedicated to this investigation, several meetings will be taking place, and then a conclusive with backed by evidence will be presented to minister, as well as it will be out in the public also very soon, that why exactly is the reason reason for such a massive accident that has taken place. While we talk to a lot of experts, they are blaming the Airport Authority of India Limited that, at Karipur Airport, despite so many red flags that were, raised by DGCA, nothing was taken care of. We had just spoken to Rajiv Pratap, who happens to be the former pilot. He said that the best part about this accident is that there was no massive explosion that has taken place. So it was a controlled landing that was attempted at by the pilots, and they were quite experienced and they did their level best while landing. But yes, certain accidents are unfortunate, and that's why proper investigation needs to be done. So we are awaiting Aviation Accident Board to conduct the investigation along with DGC officials, and that black box is definitely the crucial part of the evidence that has been recovered and that needs to be go through in order to get more details.
All right, Shantashri, stay on with us while we continue to play out all the latest updates. Let's also tell our viewers what has happened so far and what happened at 7:41 p.m. yesterday. Air India Express flight from Dubai to Calicut that overshot the tabletop runway in Kozhikode Airport and fell into a valley 35 feet below and then broke into two pieces. From the latest information, 18 people, including both the pilots, have lost their lives, unfortunately. This is being touted as one of the most deadliest plane tragedies in India in the last 1 decade. And while we'll put out that report for our viewers, these are the latest pictures on your screens as the forensic teams are now at the site clearing the debris that is there at the crash site, while also trying to retrieve the black box and find out the exact cause of what caused the crash. Meanwhile, a report on what we know so far.